Welcome to Speed Excel Tips. Do, like, comment, share for daily Excel tips.
Let's start with the easiest possible example. First, let's see how it works without even referencing any data. I'm just going to go ahead and click in any spot here and start with my equal sign, and I'll start typing COPILOT. I can see that it comes up. So what do I want to add? Well, I'm just going to ask it, what are 3 popular productivity tips? And this is just a general question and general knowledge question, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter. Notice that it does take a little bit of time. That was quite quick, but there you go. It gives me a list of 3 great tips in the cell. The key takeaway is here, you can use it as a mini search engine without ever leaving Excel. Pretty cool. Let's see how COPILOT can handle some numbers. Now, I know this is a very small list, but I just want to show you how it works. I'd love to know if you guys try this on a longer list. Let me know what the results were like. So I wanted to look at the salesperson and the unit sold, and I'm going to ask it a question to find who sold the highest units. So let's go to our COPILOT. We're going to go and place in this question, who is the top salesperson based on the data? I'll put my comma and I'm going to select my range, and let's close this up. And the answer is Maria Garcia. The AI read the table, understood the context, and gave me the correct answer instantly.